cactus type shit. Now we need some shit to fill it up, so we need a pad. We need to stop cussing. Yes. Kind of goes, I mean. Just fits that pocket, I mean. More distortion. It's gonna fucking hurt. That little part. I'm not gonna put any EQ because this is a loop, and I'm gonna send this shit to my homeboy. Super simple, repetitive all pattern. Yep, perfect. hot as hell in this B. My AC keeps tripping the breaker. We're cooked. We're cooked. And we cooked. Distortion. Dark. Perfect. Hope you learned a thing or two. You just have to dabble, bro. It could be repetitive shit. It just find that one sound. And you know what I learned? Do not change the fucking sound that you picked, unless it's you're doing that piano method that everyone knows. But besides that, stick with the sound that caught your attention and just do some shit with it. Because 99% of the time, I can't find better shit. But mess with the effects and stuff. But you know, that's just how it be. Check the link in the description down below if you want to use my drum kits, or even better, upgrade your type beat game. I do have something that's kind of like vidIQ. It'll step up your type beat game and help you find a similar artist to who you're making beats for. I do Suicide Boys, and then I found Warlord, Colossus, and Kill Deal. So if you want to find a type beat niche, check that shit down below. It's your boy No Sabo Kid. Have a good one.